Hello everybody, welcome to INE's Virtual Private Networks for Beginners video course. My name is Peter Koluzny. I will be your instructor throughout this entire series. I am a network and network security engineer with over 12 years of experience. This course is going to be beneficial especially for all of the CCNA Security candidates, or just people who are pretty new to networking. We will focus on understanding different types of VPN technologies. I will not only teach you configuration, verification, and troubleshooting methods, but also I'm going to explain to you how a given VPN technology really works. This course is broken down into several sections. First section is more of like an introduction to cryptography and public key infrastructure, so we all know about the different cryptographic tools that are normally used by VPN technologies. Now we will then talk about virtual private networks and focus on IPsec, the most common method of deploying, configuring secure VPNs. We will then move on and talk about remote access solutions with SSL and TLS. This is where I will show you how to provide access, how to implement access to allow individual users to connect to our network. Thank you for watching this short introduction. I hope you guys find this course useful, and not only during the exam preparation, but also for real-world applications. Thank you, and let's get started.